What's it? Oh, no! Oh, no!
Kirby, no!
Get the corn out of his mouth! Don't let him swallow it!
Switch him off!
Just shorted right out.
Cracked up, he snapped. He sold the farm. Poor chump.
How's he look?
A little better than you, actually. Keep it up, Slots! Even carpet sweeping motions. He should come around sooner or later.
Hey, I think it's working. Kirby? Kirby, can you hear me?
Wake up! Wake up! Kirby!
You're all right!
Lay off! Just lay off!
What's the matter?
We were worried about you.
You gave us a real scare, pal.
Well, there's nothing wrong with me, pal. So just back off.
Don't be angry.
Just keep your antennas and knobs and wires and rivets off my chrome. Who needs you guys anyway? Gotta drag you around all the time, bunch of dead weight. I'd be better off without you.
But Kirby...
Especially you little rag. So, how do we get across this thing anyway?
I think Houdini did this once. Why, if I remember right, he was out of the hospital in no time.
Well, that's encouraging.
Okay, Kirby.
We're not dead.
Yeah, we're some wood to knock on. Toaster, you okay? Toaster!
Yeah, give me some slack, Kirby.
Cursed whale, from the depths of hell I stab at thee!
I'm on you, idiot.
Oh, it's you!
Where's Toaster?
Thanks.
Boy, are we glad to see you!
I really thought I turned in my warranty that time.
Yeah, until Baggy here showed up.
I just slipped and fell in, that's all.
Oh, sure, right.
You can't fool us. We love you.
That's right, like Mrs. Roosevelt loved her husband.
Yeah. Well, here's the shore. Everybody off.
Listen to this. This is President Roosevelt awarding the vacuum the Medal of Honor.